this video, we are going to talking about the Matlab press release for the version 2022 from Mathwork company. So here is the main website of Mathwork. So you can see the Matlab is very powerful for the artificial intelligence as well as other subject related. For example, the machine learning for the deep learning and reinforcement learning. So today's video we are going to see what's the new feature and the last set release and on the version 2022 of Matlab and simulink. So let's get started. So for first of all, if the new guys come to our channel, so here is my Facebook address. So basically we provide all information about the EV or the Matlab and simulink software or the technique is daily or weekly basis. So here you can see all the address and email address and other information. So basically we provide each video every week. So you can come to visit and subscribe to my channel here. Alright, so come back to the video for the today. So you can go to the main website mathwork.com to see. So our channel focus on the for the Matlab and simulink software, they focus on symptom design, systems and simulation, of course, and other fields such as wireless communication or power electric control. So you can see more the solution they provide on their website. So you can see here a lot of experience application, for example, automate driving system or the control system of data science, deep learning, and etc. And if you want to focus on one of them, so they provide a lot of document for the research and free trial actually. Yes, and they have also the tutorial for beginning or advanced. Of course, you can enjoy Matlab simulink here. So fires, it's a large amount of knowledge. Okay, so let's see the update to the Matlab. So here you can see the 2022. There is a release highlights. They introduce new product such as Bluetooth Toolbox or DSP HDL Toolbox or Industrial Communication Toolbox or RoadRunner Scenario or wireless Testbench. So major update they will focus on economic toolbox, the Matlab compiler at the key or Matlab processing server, the police pair set, the requirement toolbox, the risk management toolbox, the robotic symptom toolbox, and second toolbox, and simulink check, simulink real time. Yes, and let's check one of them, the simulink check. The other custom edit time check and justify model adversary violation. So here is, for example, simulink check release note only for the version 2022. Yes, I will support us about the tooltip based UA for model advisor. So model advisor check you have a status or other function DS as well. Okay, so and another release detail by product. So on my channel, we are only focused on the simulink here and Matlab here, and you can see almost test and measuring the wireless communication, the physical modeling, and the control system engineering, verification, validation, and test requirement toolbox. The code generation for the AutoSAR process, and automotive. So for the automotive, we have the AutoSAR process, the model-based calibration toolbox, the powertrain process, and vehicle dynamic process. So you can download now or view all release note here in the link. Yes, so they provide release notes. So it here, there will be detail for it toolbox. Yes, they summarize all the function. Okay, and the simulink for it in 2022, so here is the simulink is basically the model for model-based design. So we have the modeling and automation, coding and verification. It's meant for concept to operation. Okay, so simulink for the model-based system engineering. They provide all the simscape model and architecture, software architecture. Also for the agile software development and Matlab user. Okay, so simulink you can use for every project, such as from wireless communication to power electronic, control system, signal process, easy to treat, smart driver, assistant system, autonomous system, and robotics. Okay, and here is the Matlab update for 2022. So okay, so if you enjoy one of the application, you can visit here. I will give the link in the video in the description below for detail. So thank you very much for the watching, and I hope you guys see a lot of information in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.